Hello everyone! Welcome to Sveta's Menu Recipe channel. Today we'll be making meat patties. For the patties, you'll need 500 grams of ground meat, 2 medium onions, 2 medium garlic cloves, 70 grams of breadcrumbs. I used stale white bread, which I crumbled into breadcrumbs. 150 milliliters of milk to soak the breadcrumbs. Salt and pepper to taste. Let's get started. We'll begin by chopping the onions and garlic. Cut the onions into fairly large pieces and place the onions and garlic in a blender. If you don't have a blender, you can simply chop them finely, but I prefer using a blender. Here's our chopped onion and garlic. Pour milk over the breadcrumbs and mix. If you don't have breadcrumbs or stale bread, you can soak regular white bread in milk. Now place all the ingredients into a large bowl. Add the ground meat, soaked breadcrumbs, chopped onions and garlic, ground black pepper, and salt to taste. I use a little less than a teaspoon for this amount of ingredients. Now start mixing. After mixing, you can beat the meat mixture a little to enrich it with oxygen. Let the mixture rest for about 30 minutes before frying the patties. After the mixture has rested, it's time to shape the patties. To prevent the meat from sticking to your hands, wet your hands with water. You'll also need breadcrumbs to coat the patties. If you prefer, you can skip the breadcrumbs and simply shape the patties and fry them. Or you can use flour instead of breadcrumbs. Wet your hands with water. Take a piece of the meat mixture and shape it into a patty. The size and shape are up to you. Now I've shaped all the patties. From this amount of meat, I got 15 patties. Time to fry them. Heat oil in a pan. Place the patties in the hot pan and fry them over low heat. This ensures that the patties cook through properly. I fry them for about 12 minutes on one side, then flip them. And fry for another 12 minutes on the other side. Look at that beautiful crispy crust. I know you can't taste these patties right now, but trust me, they are absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you tried making the patties using this recipe, leave a comment with your thoughts on what you liked most and what you might change. I'd love to hear your opinion. If you found this recipe helpful, please give this video a like to help more people discover it. And don't forget to subscribe to Sveta's Menu so you won't miss any new videos. See you in the next episode, and bon appétit!